Good morning everyone. Welcome to Mathematics E-class. Today we are going to start a new topic, comparing quantities, chapter 8. In our daily life we used to compare quantities. Sometimes we compare our height, sometimes weight, or sometimes we compare our marks with our friends. We use different methods to compare quantities, out of which first is ratios. Ratio is relationship between two or more values, where A units per B units will be A upon B or A is to B. Ratios are used to compare sometimes parts and sometimes parts in a whole to the all parts in a whole. For example, in first figure, 4 parts are green and 6 are purple. So the ratio of green to purple is 4:6. In the second figure, total parts are 10 and green are 4. So the ratio is 4/10. Next is, in a fruit bucket there are 20 fruits, out of which 3 are peaches. Ratio of peaches to the fruits is 3:20. Ratios can be written as fractions, or we can use columns to represent ratios. A upon B are integers where B is not equals to 0. There are other ways to express ratios, like 21 to 3 can be expressed as 21:3 or 21/3. 3 to 5, 3/5 or 3:5. 9:2 can be expressed as 9:2 or 9/2. 7/12 can be written as 7:12 or 7:12. Another very important thing is about finding the ratio is that the both quantities should be in same units. For example, rupees 5 to 50 paise. First we will convert rupees 5 to paise because we need same units for the conversion. As we know, 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise, so the 5 rupees will be 500 paise. So now we will express it in the ratios as 500 paise upon 50 paise. After that we will simplify it. Another example is, find the ratio of 3 km to 300 meter. Again, first we will convert kilometer into meters. As we know, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So 3 kilometer will be 3000 meters. We will express it in ratios as 3000 meters upon 300 meters. After that we will simplify it. Next way to compare quantities is percentage. Percentage means percent, where per means out of and cent means 100. Hence, percent is out of every 100. 35% means 35/100. That is 35 out of 100. Next is converting fractional numbers to the percentage. Write 1/3 as percent. Remember, for converting fraction into percent, we always multiply fraction with 100. So 1/3 will be multiplied by 100%. So it is 100/3%. Let's look at the other example. 3/5 expressed as percentage. 3/5 multiplied by 100 because To convert the fraction, we always multiply it with 100. 3 by 5 into 100, simplify it, answer is 60%. Next topic is converting decimals to the percentage. 0.75. First step is to convert decimal numbers into fraction. 75 upon 100 because 5 is at the 100th place. Now this is a question of fraction. Multiply it with 100%. So answer is 75%. Next is converting percentage to ratios. Express 57% as ratios. First, convert percentage into fraction by dividing it with 100, 57 upon 100, and then express it in the ratios 57 is to 100. Same in another example. Express 6% as ratios. Percentage is 6%. Convert it into the fraction by dividing it with 100, 6 upon 100, and finally represent it in the ratios 6 is to 100. Now in this example, a shirt is tagged as rupees 800 and 25% is off. That means we will get 25% discount on the purchase of a shirt worth rupees 800. So we will calculate 25% of 800. 25% means 25 upon 100 multiply by 800, simplify it, answer is 200. That is, on the purchase of this shirt we will get 200 rupees off. Next is 10% of 30. You know, off means multiply. 10% means 10 upon 100. Multiply by 30. Simplify it. Answer will be 3. Last example is find the whole quantity. 40% of it is 500 kilometer. Here it means whole quantity. Please understand it carefully. When we calculate 40% of some quantity, we get 500 kilometer. That is, first convert 40% into fraction. To convert the percentage into fraction, we divide it with 100. So 40 upon 100. Multiply by total quantity, which is unknown. When we multiply 40% with total quantity, we get 500 kilometer. Now 40 upon 100 multiplied by total quantity is equals to 500 kilometer. To solve this, we shift 40 upon 100 to the other side. When we shift a term with multiplication sign to the other side, we reciprocate. Hence 500 multiplied by 100 upon 40 and simplify it. You will get 1250 kilometer. That means 40% of 1250 kilometer is 500 kilometer. Thank you. Have a nice day.